Before starting affiliate marketing and learning to start affiliate marketing, let's just discuss what potential results you can have from affiliate marketing, what expectations you should have, and what income expectations and what flexibility expectations you should have from affiliate marketing. So first of all, let's just talk about expected income from affiliate marketing. So it basically varies, it basically depends, and here I have prepared a table, and this table is for full-time affiliate marketers. If you are doing it part-time as well and you have a good strategy, then you can reach that goal as well. But this is generally for the ones who are spending around 5 to 6 hours a day on doing backlinks, SEO, and content creation. So within the first month, it's expected that you will be making around $500 to $1,000, maybe more low than that or maybe more than that. This is just a general stat, and you will be making around $500 to $1,000 a month. And then within first year, it's general that its revenue is around 1,000 to 3,000, and within first 5 years you will be able to make around 3,000 to 10,000 bucks. Basically it depends, it's not the amount that everyone is making, not all of the students of this course would be making that much, but yes, it's a general amount that if you are spending time on your website, you are making multiple websites, you are applying all the strategies to do SEO, and you have found a profitable niche, then this is the scenario that you can achieve. But yeah, everywhere, anywhere you are working, it requires hard work and you have to put your efforts to get the results out of it. Then some whys to start affiliate blogs. First of all, there is no risk, no investment. Yep, there is a bit of risk, there is a bit of investment, but it's like none, because you have to spend a few dollars on hosting and maybe on some plugins. If you need those plugins, there are a lot free plugins available as well for WordPress, because we are going to build a blog in WordPress. So the investment is like none. Like maximum what you have to pay is around 400 bucks for a year, and you can just start off your business, and it's the easiest way to start a business. And this is 400 bucks is not the investment. I'm just telling you the maximum budget that you can have, and this is the investment, and the risk is of your time. And in that time you will be learning a lot. If you are not successful, then you are learning a lot from affiliate marketing. Then you have personal branding, because when you have started blog, you are getting traffic, people will know you, and when you have created a blog, you have added an author box, your contact email, then people will contact you, people will know you, and you would have a personal brand. And from that brand you can have valuable partnerships, like people will reach out to you for sponsorships, for services from you. Let's say if you know how to build the websites, and people will reach out to you, I also want to start a website, and please help me create it. And people will say, just promote my product on your website and I'll pay you that much. So you will receive valuable partnerships. Then it's easy to scalable. Let's say if you have started one successful blog, then what you can do is you can just automate it. You can hire a writer for it, and the writer would be writing blogs for it, and you can start another blog, and another blog, and it would be scalable. What you have to do is you just have to put your skills and your experience to find high value and profitable niche, create a website on it, and put 1 or 2 or 10 writers on that blog, so they will work for you, you will pay them, and the rest of the profit is yours. And then unimagined ROI. You will have to spend few bucks on hosting. The theme would be free. If you need pro version of the plugins, you can get it, but all the plugins are free. And after setting up your website, your organic traffic would be for free. You would have some free traffic methods as well, till it's not ranked on Google. You can get traffic from these free traffic methods, and you don't have any investment. You are just getting the traffic, you are getting the sales without investment. And then you have some other income sources as well, like sponsorships. I have told you about it. Rent a page. You can rent your pages that are ranking. Brands would pay a lot for you. You for those renting, you can charge them per month. Like let's say your page is ranking on the first page, and brands would reach out to you, or you can reach out to brands that if you want to rent my page because it's ranking on the top, and they will pay you around 400, 300, 200, 100 per month. Then there's another method, website flipping. It's when you have started your blog and it's working, then you can start website flipping as well. You can sell websites for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I'll tell you about this in detail in next lectures. Then you can have self promotion. Self promotions means if you have launched your own startup, your own brand, you can just promote it easily because you have everything to start it. You have the potential income. You have a passive income, so you don't need to worry about bread and butter, and you have an audience which trusts you, and they can just get into your product. They can buy your product very easily. And those were some of the facts and what you can expect from affiliate marketing. And now let's just explore some affiliate marketing stats and analytics to just make sure that affiliate marketing has potential or not, and how much potential it has. So first stat, 81.2% of affiliate marketers say they make more than $20,000 annually. Okay, and why they make? Because 59% of companies use influencers for affiliate marketing, and why these companies use 59% companies use influencers for affiliate marketing? Because they know these stats, that 70% of consumers make purchasing decisions based on reviews only, and 88% of consumers have been inspired to buy something by an influencer. So these are the stats by some of the most recognized surveys and most authentic surveys, and that is the reason why affiliate marketing is the best business idea, online business idea nowadays. I am doing it, a lot of other people are doing it, and you can also start it by enrolling into the course. And so I would again recommend you just again have a look on the curriculum. If this curriculum seems good to you, then you can get into the course. So see you in the course.